Day one would look like this. Understand what AI can do, beginner track. Learn, watch this 10-minute YouTube video. What is AI and how does it work? Open ChatGPT and ask it to help you brainstorm 5 ways AI could save you 5 hours a week, right? And then it says, hey, this is how you reflect. Let's go over 2 prompts that'll help you use AI to a whole new level for real estate or really for anything. This is something I've been doing now since ChatGPT 4 with Tasks came out. I actually had it send me a quote daily, but recently I had to get me better at AI. And that's prompt number 1. Prompt number 1 that I'm going to share with you, by the way, if you need this, just message me. I will send it to you on Instagram, or if you're watching on YouTube, I will send this to you there. It's a Google Doc that I've got. I've got 2 prompts on here. But first, this episode is brought to you by brillianttribe.com. Check us out. See what you think. If you need help, we're here to help you. Prompt number 1. This one is for a reminder, a daily reminder. And an example here, I've got an example. Day 1 would be something like, it'll send you one for 30 days or for however long you want. I have it for 30 days. Then if I want to extend it, I can. But day 1 would look like this. Understand what AI can do, beginner track. Learn, watch this 10-minute YouTube video. What is AI and how does it work? Open ChatGPT and ask it to help you brainstorm 5 ways AI could save you 5 hours a week. Right? And then it says, hey, this is how you reflect. That's prompt number 1, and I'm going to take you through that one. Prompt number 2 is a lot easier. I have it on here, and it's just so that it outlines a 30-day plan for you. All at once, you can then take it, put it into your computer, keep it as a Google Doc, look at it daily, print it out, read it, whatever you want. I prefer prompt number 1, and I'm going to run it live just so that I can visually see it. Now, I haven't run this for about 10 days as a brand new prompt. So I'm going to run it through and I'm going to read you the prompt. It's here just so that you can get an idea of what this looks like. Okay, prompt number 1, the one I like. I want to improve my knowledge and skills in artificial intelligence over the next 30 days. Please act as an AI learning coach and give me 1 new task or activity each day to help me get better at understanding and using AI. Break it into beginner, intermediate, and advanced layers, even if I'm starting at beginner, so I can change myself if I want. Tasks should be 15 to 60 minutes long and include a mix of learning, like watching and reading, practicing, trying tools, building prompts or small projects, reflecting, writing down what I learned or noticed. Focus on practical use cases like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, and automation, real-world examples, and how to integrate AI into creative work, business, or productivity. Start with day 1. Be clear, simple, and engaging. Make it fun and motivating. Now, the one thing I can tell you here from testing this out is that I want you to either shorten or expand that time, the tasks. So I have here, tasks should be 15 to 60 minutes long. Some of you, and me included, I don't always have 60 minutes at a time blocked specifically for this. And I'm trying, but it's becoming really hard. So I would rather keep it to 15 to 30 minutes, right? And then have it in my notes, in my calendar, and I have a written calendar, and say, okay, at this time, I'm going to go and look at ChatGPT to see what the task is for today, because now the number 1 website I go to daily, hands down, very first one I open is ChatGPT. It's getting crazy. Anyway, that's the prompt. Let me just make sure I have the verbiage correctly for you. And if you need this, I have this, prompt number 1, example, got it all ready to go. Thank you for listening in. Hopefully you actually use this. It's been great for me.